in Hyderabad. This is in the Charminar area, leaving at least 17 people dead. The blaze was reported at about 6:30 a.m. this morning, when 5 fire tenders were quickly rushed to the spot. They were quickly deployed and managed to bring the flames under control, preventing further spread of the blaze. However, the absence of fire exits in the building posed a major challenge for those trapped inside. We earlier picked on that the fire tenders had to break down walls to rescue the mortal remains of those trapped inside. South Zone Police reached the spot swiftly, coordinating rescue efforts and ensuring public safety of those nearby, the onlookers, those in the adjacent buildings as well. And authorities later launched an investigation into the cause of the fire and are still assessing the extent of the damage. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi expressed grief over the loss of lives in the fire tragedy in Hyderabad. He took to X and wrote, and I quote, "Deeply anguished by the loss of lives due to the fire tragedy in Hyderabad in Telangana. Condolences to those who have lost their loved ones. May the injured recover soon." An ex gratia of ₹2 lakhs from the PM National Relief Fund would be given to the next of kin of each of the deceased. The injured would be given ₹50,000. That's the ex gratia that's been announced. The Home Minister has reacted to it. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge reacted to it very swiftly. Tragic development in Charminar area of Hyderabad. 17 lives that were lost.
आज चारमीनार के पास जो गुलदरवाज है, गुलदरवाज में आप सब लोगों को मालूम है, इधर पियर्स का बिजनेस ज्यादा होता है। उसी बिजनेस में काम करने वाले एक परिवार जो शॉप भी है, उसके पीछे उनके ऊपर घर भी है, मगर शॉर्ट सर्किट के कारण जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है उसमें बहुत लोग इसमें देहांत हुआ और कुछ घायल भी है। अभी अलग अलग हॉस्पिटल्स में डेड बॉडीज है और लगभग 6 बजे सुबह इंसिडेंट हुआ, ऐसा अधिकारी बता रहे। और जो भी लोग आज इधर एक्सीडेंट में देहांत हुए, मैं केंद्र सरकार से उनको असिस्टेंट दिलाता हूं। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री से बात करके सरकार की तरफ से जरूर उनको फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट देने के लिए प्रयास करता हूं।
Dangerous a fire hazard can actually be. And without politicizing the event further, let's also tell you that Hyderabad is the bastion of the AIMIM. Asaduddin Owaisi on your screens, one of the tall political leaders from Hyderabad, visiting the Charminar area near Gulzar House, taking stock of the situation. We've got a reaction from the AIMIM leader as well. Let's quickly listen into what Asaduddin Owaisi had to say.
जो दर्दनाक वाक़या आज हादसा गुलजार हाउस में हुआ है, जिसमें एक ख़ानदान जो पिछले 125 साल से इस इलाके में रह रहा है, उन्हीं के इमीडिएट फैमिली मेंबर्स 17 लोगों की आज मौत हुई है और बड़ी तकलीफदेह बात है। और मैं इन दो नौजवानों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि जो सुबह में ये लोग अंदर घुसकर नमाज सुबह 6 बजे 5:30 पौने 6 बजे दरमियान में अंदर घुसकर बचाने की कोशिश भी किए, फिर फायर सर्विस भी आया, मगर अफसोसनाक बात है और हम ताज़ियत पेश करते हैं उनके ये डिसीज फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए।